In this lesson, we will be creating a new model and modifying the grid in Tekla structure. I will be using Imperial shortcut. To create a new model, we go to File, New, and give your model a name, any name you like. I'll name it Blue Fox, and make sure you set your model type as a single user. Click OK, and I'm just going to pause when it's creating. Once the model is created, you should see a view that looks something like this. It's a 3D view. Just maximize it, and if you want to pan in the 3D, send a mouse button, hang on to it, and move your mouse to pan. If you want to zoom in, zoom out, send a mouse button up or down. And if you want to rotate, hang on to Control, send a mouse button, hang on, and move your mouse to rotate up or down, side to side. In Tekla structure, we have a coordinate system along with the grid. We have the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. The z-axis is the elevation. So as you can see in the bottom corner there, it really show of which direction you're looking at. So to modify the grid, you double click on the grid twice. It should bring up a new tab menu. Now let's say we want to change the x-axis, the spacing. Okay, we'll just change to 10 foot, 20 foot, 10 foot, modify, and it will give you a option that you want to continue. Just hit yes. As you can see there, 10, 20, and 10. Now we want to change the y-axis. You go to under your coordinate, like we did with x. Let's make this one 20, 30, 20. Modify. Just hit yes to continue. As you can see, if you want to change the label to, it's under the label here. To you can change this to any label you like. Under label X, Y, and Z. Now let's change the elevation. Let's say 20 feet, 30 feet. Modify. Continue. Just make sure you highlight the grid to modify. If you don't highlight the grid, it won't modify the grid. So just make sure the grid is highlighted. So let's give a label on the thing, on the elevation, 20 and 20 feet, 30 feet. Modify. There's one thing that Tekla structure 3D won't show is the elevation grid. So you won't be able to see that. To make a quick measurement, create a free dimension. Click on that icon. Click on point 1, 2, out, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, out. If you zoom in, as you can see, you got 10 foot, 20 foot, 10 foot. You can do the same measurement on the y-axis. As you can see, 20, 20, it matches. 30, 20, as you can see. And now if you want to get rid of the dimension, just right click on your 3D view redraw window. Now you see this blue box, we want to fit that in the work area. So right click, fit work area. Now the blue box fit the whole grid. Now let's just save our model, and I will continue with the next lesson.